Otulese kumudala, but pray for us. This is a great day for you, and should be in your memorabilia. Prince, thank you so much for loving Cindy. And Cindy, thank you so much for being a wonderful person and working with. You're my sister. To be honest, we have hardened the bond. Count on me. I really advise you to keep Prince as your firstborn. Let him be like your firstborn. Men are like babies. You're the one who has gone fast, but I'm following you anytime. I really appreciate the way and the humor, the braveness within the leadership of the Ghana Musicians Association. You're such a strong lady. You all know what we pass through, but we are ready and we are there for the music industry. Woman, together we can. On behalf, actually we're doing a half speech because our boss, the chairperson of the National Cultural Forum, Radedi, is traveling to this place. So we're giving a half speech. Otherwise, on behalf of the creative industry, we are proud of you. We're happy to work with you. Just be a strong woman. I one time asked you one question. Can I be bold like you? You told me, Phina, you're soft so much, you will lose friends. But I love your boldness. Sometimes it needs us to be bold in life. So congratulations, Prince. Enjoy your journey and be safe. Thank you.
Where do I start from? Because I've known Prince for more than 10 years. Like Roger said, that man has been a hustler in the art industry, especially film and acting. I thought I was passionate about what I do, but I don't think there's anyone who is as passionate as Prince when it comes to loving what he does. I don't think there's anyone in this industry who loves that. Because it's not easy. In our industry, it's so unprofessional, it's amateur. We're just trying to fight to make sure that people understand what we do. Some people think we are jokers, but we're not jokers. We are the sharpest people in this country. The musicians, the actors, the film writers, directors, everywhere in the world, only in Uganda or Africa where they don't understand what we do. But if you go to developed countries, the artists are always the #1 people in that, the #1 cities in that country. That's why they are celebrated. It's very hard to go to America and meet a Prince of America. Like said Denzel, you can't go to America and just meet Denzel Washington. You can't. It's actually easy to meet Biden in America than meeting Denzel Washington. So that is what should be also here, where it's hard to see, to meet Prince than Museveni, but it's the other way around. But we're working around the corner to make sure that our industry is appreciated. That's why we started the forum, and it's working. Emma Molondo is there, our Executive Secretary, General Secretary. Jagoto Gateko Nawe. Is a 2 years ago, so we're trying to fight. After Chinyambia, when I heard that the two of you were getting married, you guys don't know. I was so happy. Very, very happy because very few people in our industry treasure marriage. Yeah? I've been married for 12 years now. I've been with my wife for 17 years. Our firstborn is 15 years. But she has never left my home. And yet I'm out in the night, I'm acting. Sometimes I don't go back home. I sleep where when I'm working, but because we understood each other. And I pray. And no, I'm not even praying because the two of you have been what the king herself. I want to go hustle. So this marriage is just going to be nice. And the beauty is your friends. At least I know you, Balaga, Mubukone, Yo, it's good vibes. So I don't want to lecture you. I know you chose yourselves knowing that you fit each other. So I just pray that you be together for eternity, have children. Everything is okay, guys. We share the best. Cindy, thank you for being bold, being professional. People don't understand you. People don't understand the king herself and sign the Cinderella Sunny. So they always want to think or drag you to be the Cinderella Sunny And yet you also have a brand as a performer and a musician, which they never understand when you put on skimpy stuff. I've argued with ministers for you and about you. And I tell them, you need to understand. That's why Beyonce does what she does, but she's married and she's everything. She's respected that honor. When she dresses like that, it's not that she wants to be indecent or anything. No, it's her brand. It's her business. She wants to be like that. She has people who follow her that way. So you can't force her to put on Gomez. Are you not putting any Gomez now?
There's that gig we had with the National and Sewage Corporation, was it? Yeah. No, I say real, man.
So I have to thank you for being professional and fighting. And really, wakuba cricket over, but Kiriza, until a woman can do, because no one had ever done it. Actually, you are the first female artist to do it in Uganda who has ever gone to cricket over, and it is full to capacity. It's not easy. You didn't have a promoter, you did your own show and promoted it to Mugerwa for that. So thank you for always holding the flag high, for helping Uma. I sit in her office with Anita. She always calls me Bujingo. Thank you for being honest, for being open, and run your marriage that way. Openness, honesty, telling kuyiga, yeah. Kujiriza una mgambia wale nothing will be there. So wish you the best. Mukama abakume era bayimisi.
The protocol things are for getting a chairman or Tanzania. So let's wait for Tanzania to I'll just talk to them, they're on their way. But just know the creative industry is going to be a #1 contributor to GDP.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
In a group. Yes, there's no time. But see, I don't tell my can't cut on no. Baso can walk around wherever. The big guy did it. Then Mimo Moja was a contributor of GDP. You can. That's the question how and when. So once the Batumazevano, Nangi the Munene. Okujabu Mbaga, ya president, Wabayimbi, Mbanga Jona. It's not something simple. We are only few selected ones. In the Bible, Colossians 3:3, Chigamba, abantu babiri singa bagana okwatagana. If two people cannot agree where they are coming from, they can't reach where they are going. First Corinthians 13:13, and maybe into Saturn. Cindy. First Corinthians 13:13. It's the summary of 10 commandments. 1, there is faith, hope, love. No was but the summary of all is love. Madam said, love, you will find fantastic marriage. Mama, I'm here to perform something small. Me, some people call me honorable. But I was not in the parliament, Vanzipa. So, abantu bona bali besimbyewo all contendants, NRM contendants, with the 20. We have an association. So when I was coming here, Nibagaba, Nagagenda, Wayo Cha. For it was a Kantakatono. Then we had to contribute something. So when I told them, Magamba, Magufuli, Chimalirize, Amunyankole, Madam said, if you can maybe then the Ningamba, Chingenda Kora. Family is composed of mom, dad, and children. Therefore, what we are going to give a family, ayocha, yabamaze kubosha. ayucha Igwe. So, Madam Cindy, family is composed of 3 things: father, mother, and kid. We are going to give you a Frisian cow.
Hey! Frisian oye?
A Frisian cow. Oh, mwana ze asange amatawekani. Wamazebeno. My home is Roboa. Contact me. You come and I give you a Frisian cow. May God bless you, Mama. Tenant, Mugisha, Moses, Magufuli, Babiomera. Young man like me, to be retired from the army, it's not simple. And there is a reason why. I'm also going to TV.
Oyagala omukolo gw'enjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafuluma okukuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusangibwa Nankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.